Hi Kids Life, it's Erin here. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. We are now in the season of the church called Advent, and I hope you all got your packet full of really fun stuff, including all of the information that we're going to be going over every week, and it also included the gingerbread decorating bag. So I hope you will join us on December 6th. That's this coming Sunday at 3 o'clock, and Zoom link was sent to your family. So hopefully you got that and you can join us for that. We're just gonna get together and enjoy our time together and make some gingerbread. But I did want to show you the activity for this week. So hopefully you were able to do your devotion maybe on Sunday with your family. There's some really great stuff in there. The activity this week is actually, it looks like this before it's cut out. Noelle was working on this one. She hasn't quite finished it yet. Anyway, so you can color that, and then when you cut it out, it looks like this, which is pretty cool. Kason did this one. You could turn it into an ornament for your Christmas tree if you want, or just as a decoration. It does sort of balance if you stick it on your hand like this, so it's kind of a little bird that you can hold in your hand, which is kind of cool. So yeah, if you get a chance to do that, it's really great. There's some really great things in your packet, so I hope you get a chance to look at it. And we will, see you hopefully Sunday.